Quick video about this one here, the Tamron 22.8. I have the Tamron 1728 and 2875. All of them has the VXT motors. They're pretty good and quiet, but this one here has the OSD motor. So this is noisy. It says makes that sound, and also this one has a bad distortion. I don't know if it's corrected already, but yeah, I've been using it for a while, and the noise annoys me whenever it hits the autofocusing mark. It does that click. So I'm selling it now. I'm going back to my Tamron 1728 for vlogging, but I'm thinking of checking out the Samyang 18mm 2.8, which is has a slower autofocus, but it's more quieter, it's more lighter, good for my A7C. But yeah, this one here, noisy, distortion. Yeah, the size is pretty good though, and the sharpness is good, but didn't work for me. Good one. Yeah, I'm off to the guy who's gonna buy it now.